Good morning, students. Yesterday in the last session we have covered all the divisibilities. Okay, so I'm starting with the divisibility exercise. That is your exercise 5.3, right? So make sure you will be having the books also when you are watching this video in order to read the question properly. Okay, so question number 1 is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 or by 10? Okay, you have to tell the given numbers whether they are divisible by 5 or by 10. So I'm taking the third part first. 9, 6, 8, 5. Right? So in order to check by 5, we used to check the unit digit. It should be either 0 or 1. So in that case, yes, your it should be either 5 or 0, sorry. So it should be divisible by 5. And for 10, we used to check again the unit digit. Unit digit is always 0. So as we can see, our unit digit is 5. So yes, it is divisible by 5. But as the unit digit is not 0, so it is not divisible by 10. So how you will write? You will write, yes, this number is divisible by 5 as the unit digit is 5. Okay, again you will write, no, this number is not divisible by 10. Why? As the unit digit is not 0. Because the unit digit is not 0, therefore number is not divisible by 10. And they have asked by both 5 and 10, so we have written the answers. In the similar manner, if I'll take 4, 10730. Now first check it out. Yes, it is divisible by 5 as the last digit is 0. And yes, it is divisible by 10 also as the last digit is 0. Okay, so you will write, yes, this number is divisible by both 5 and 10. दोनों से divisible है as the unit digit is 0. Okay, so third and fourth part I have done for you. Do only second part as your homework. Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 4 and 8? You have to check whether the numbers are divisible by 2, 4 or 8. So suppose I'm taking the fourth question, fourth part. The number is 6533142. Right? So first let us check by 2. So yes, it is divisible by 2 as the last, that means your unit digit is even digit. So you will write, yes, this number is divisible by 2 as the unit digit is even. This is the only divisibility of 2, that unit digit should be even. So yes, this number is divisible by 2. Now we have to check for 4 also. For 4 I need to check the last 2 digits. पहले रफ में सॉल्व करके देख लिया करो. 4 1 जा 4, 2 नहीं जाता. ठीक है. So you will write no, this number is not divisible by 4, as the reason is because the last 2 digits are not divisible by 4. So I have to write the same. As the last 2 digits are not divisible by 4, right? Now in the similar manner, check for 8. For 8 you need to check the last 3 digits. You are already aware of the same fact. Okay, so last 3 digits 1 4 2, check it out. 8 1s are 8, you will left with 62. Now 62 is not divisible by 8, right? You already know that. So you will write no, this number is not divisible by 8, as the last 3 digits, जैसे हमने 4 के लिए लास्ट 2 digits चेक किए थे, 8 के लिए we used to check last 3 digits, as the last 3 digits are not divisible by 8. So you have to attend the question in the very same manner. Okay, for 2 we check the unit place, for 4 we check the last 2 digits, and for 8 we are going to check the last 3 digits. Okay, I suppose I am clear with this question. So fourth part I have done. So you are going to third and second part yourself as homework. Just do these 3 parts. These are sufficient for doing in the notebook. Moving to question number 3. Question number 3 says, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3 or 9? 3 और 9 से कौन से numbers divisible हैं? Okay, I am taking the last part, fifth part. 3 4 5 0 4 and 6. You know that in order to check for the divisibility of 3 and 9, your sum of digits should be divisible by 3 and 9 as well. Okay, for the 3 also the divisibility test is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, and for 9 the same test, the sum of digits should be divisible by 9. So let us first check out the sum of the digits. We will add all the digits, add them. 4 plus 3 7, 12, 16, 22. Again check it. 4 plus 3 7, 12 and 16 and 22. So you can see that 22 is not divisible by 3 as well as it is not divisible by 9. So you will write this number is not divisible by 3 as the sum of digits is not divisible by 3. ठीक है, This number is not divisible by 3 because the sum of digits is not divisible by 3. In the same manner, check by 9. 22 is also not divisible by 9 too. So you will write the same thing. This number is not divisible by 9 as the sum of digits is not divisible by 9. Okay, let's consider some another part. I'm taking the fourth part. 3 4 5 9 0 3. Again, add all the digits. Add them. 7 12 21 24. Now first check by 3. 24 is divisible by 3. So you will write, yes, this number is divisible by 3 as the sum of digits is divisible by 3. Okay, same manner you will write, check for 9. 24 is not divisible by 9. Okay, so you will write, no, this number is not divisible by 9 as the sum of digits is not divisible by 9. Okay, so moving to the next question, number 4. So fifth and fourth part I have done for you. I suppose now you'll be able to do the third part. So consider this third part as your homework. Okay, moving to question number 4. Question number 4, you need to check out the divisibility by 11. You need to check out by 11, right? Let's take the third part. 5 0 4 6 7 0. Okay, so the first thing is you need to add the digits at the odd places and the digits at the even places. Take out the digits at the odd places. 1, then third, then fifth digit. Okay, so take this 0 plus 6 plus 0. You will get 6 only. Now the remaining digits at the even places, 7, 4 and 5. So 7 plus 4 plus 5. You will get 11 plus 5, 16. Okay, 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 5, 16. Now whatever two numbers you will obtain, we need to subtract them. Check out. You will get final answer as 10. ठीक है, now ये final answer या तो हमारा 0 होना चाहिए और Either it should be divisible by 11, but both the conditions are not getting satisfied. So you will write this number is not divisible, this number basically, okay, I mean by this number is not divisible by 11 because 10 is not divisible by 11. That's it. Okay, I hope I am clear with all these 4 questions of exercise 5.3. Now listen to me carefully, some of the guidelines. If you face any problem in any of the part, please WhatsApp me on my number, and do not expect from me that I am going to reply you at the very same time. I will take your doubts in my next video. I will read your message, and whatever you are facing the doubt, I will clarify that in the next video. Suppose after watching this video, you are going to send me some of your doubts. So the video which you are going to get the next day, in that video I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Another thing, please make sure you will do your work on the regular basis. Don't expect that at the end of the chapter we will send all the videos again, we will send all the work again. No, you will not even ask for the same thing. You have to do your work on the daily basis. Another thing is, I will send you the PDF also of the very same. Okay, sometimes after watching the video you are not in a mood to open the video and do your work, so you can access this pages as the PDF and do your work from these pages, and whatever the homework are, obviously that you are going to do it yourself. Okay, thank you.